Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Facebook page on Android. Firstly, I need to mention before we started with this tutorial that there is no difference between Android and iPhone. It is the same process, guys. Firstly, what you need to do, just simply click on the three dots icon on your right upper side, and then on your menu on all shortcuts you need to go for pages, the second selection. Then you need to select the Facebook page that you want to delete it. For example, we'll go with the first one, and what I need to do next is just by typing on the search box before getting through the settings bar on my right upper side, and I need to go for the first selection, the general site, and now I need to scroll down, and here as you can see you can remove the page or you can permanently delete this page. Just go for permanently delete the page, go delete page on your next session, and your page has been deleted. It has been agreed with your Facebook supporting team. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.